In this video, I'll show you how to access Veo AI in 2026. Veo is Google's AI video generation technology, and access can depend on the specific Google product, plan, region, and features currently available. To get started, use Google's official Veo or supported AI video generation experience. Sign in with your Google account when required. Once you're inside the supported platform, look for the video generation feature or the option that provides access to Veo. If you don't see Veo, don't immediately assume there is a problem. Access may depend on your account, subscription, region, rollout status, or the current product interface. Check the official Google information for the latest availability and requirements. After you gain access, open the video generation interface and try creating a simple test video. Enter a short but descriptive prompt and submit it. If the video generates successfully, you're ready to explore more advanced prompts and creative workflows. Remember to use official Google services rather than unofficial websites claiming to provide Veo access. And that's how you can access Veo AI in 2026.